Hey guys, what's up? My name is Justin, and yes, that's fucking my name. Alright, so I'm gonna review this keyboard by On. Yes, why do they put two N's? Because they don't know how to spell On, and they spell check. Fuck, I don't know. This keyboard, soft touch keyboard, easy to use, USB connection, comfortable, long profile design, long from that. Here's this, compatible with PC, Mac, USB, spill proof. That's pretty cool. Easy packaging right here. Easy packaging right there. Easy to use. Throw a box away. Here it is, right there. Right there. Here it is. Tippity. Right there, easy to use. Twitter's being gay, whatever. There you go. Follow me up on that Twitter. You want to add me on the YouTube. Add me on this PS4, which is just chilling right there. And my mouse, I picked up mouse, a keyboard, and where the fuck speakers at? Fuck are the speakers? And these speakers, which I'm gonna review later. I picked up that and that for $24. The thing I messed up on, I forgot to buy a mouse pad from fucking shit. And there's my monitor. It's a good monitor, Samsung monitor. There you go. This is my little gay ass laptop. Looks good. So I hope you guys enjoy this quick little video, and I will have some gameplay up of some Call of Duty, whatever game you want on the PS4. Right now I got that NBA 2K14 Killzone and that shit. That's all I gotta say. So that's gonna be up soon. This is gonna be up now. Peace out. Follow me on the Twitter and I'm out.